Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Class 5, take out your social study books. Open your books. Come to the page number 22. Our unit name is Map Reading Skills. Our lesson name is The Globe and Maps. First, we defined maps and globe. A map is a drawing of the surface of the earth which shows the shape and position of different countries, their borders, physical features like rivers, oceans, and mountains. Maps may also show man-made structures like roads and buildings. A globe is also a map of the world, but in the shape of a ball. It is fixed to a support and can be turned at the same angle as the earth turns in space. Now we define the hemispheres. The word hemisphere means half of a sphere. The earth can be divided into half across the middle and from top to bottom by imaginary lines. Each of these halves is called a hemisphere. We can have 4 different hemispheres: Eastern, Western, Northern, and Southern. As the earth can be divided in 2 different ways. Students, come to the next page, page number 23. Here we define equator line. The equator is a line of latitude across the middle of the earth that divides a world map into the northern and southern hemisphere. The prime meridian is a line of longitude that runs north to south and divides the earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. Students, come to the next page, page number 24. Our next heading is locating the oceans and continents. In graphic design and word processing applications, a grid is a series of vertical and horizontal lines that are used to subdivide a page vertically and horizontally into margins, columns, intercolumn spaces, lines of type, and spaces between blocks of type and images. A grid is used to make it easier to locate places such as the continents and oceans on a map. Our next heading is lines of latitude and longitude. Lines of latitude. These are imaginary lines which run from east to west on the globe, parallel to the equator. Students, come to the next page, page number 25. Our next heading is longitude. These are the imaginary lines that run from north to south on the globe and meet at the north and south poles. Students, come to the next page, page number 26. Our next and last heading is index. An index in an atlas helps us to find a country, a city, or a landform on a map by referring to the latitude and longitude of its location. Task for students. Do reading from page number 22 to page number 27.